Hi! In this video, we are going to do the art project. C is for cotton ball. So let's talk about what we need first, and then we'll get started. So we need the project, a paintbrush if you're using liquid glue. If you're using a glue stick, you don't need a paintbrush. Some type of glue, scissors, and something to write your name with. All right, let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull the bag of cotton balls off your paper. Don't worry if it rips right here because we're going to be cutting this, okay? Can you guys tell me what shape is this that we're going to be cutting? Very good, it's a circle. And when we look at a circle, do we see any straight lines or corners? No, we don't. Okay, let's get your scissors. Did you guys bring your cutting muscles with you today? Good, 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 good. So we're gonna grab our scissors and we're gonna start cutting the circle. Remember, we are practicing. If we accidentally get inside the circle or even on the C, it's okay because we're practicing. And then we're going to be gluing the cotton balls to the letter C. Do you see how this letter kind of looks like a circle? Yeah, because it doesn't have any straight lines on it, does it? No. All right, let's begin. How has your day been so far? Did you notice the weather today? Today is, by the time you watch it, it will be, this video, it'll be Thursday, but it's Tuesday, and it's cloudy today. It's been a long time since I've seen a cloudy day. Do you like cloudy weather or do you like sunny weather better? Okay. I like it when the weather changes. Sometimes it stays the same for so many days. I'm just ready for it to change. And it's been warm and hot and sunny for a lot of days. Once you've cut off the C, take your time. Remember, we're just doing open and close, open and close, open and close. If you get tired, if your hand gets tired or sore, go ahead and take a break. Shake it out. You can stretch it back and forth. Okay. Once you're done cutting out your C, you want to write your name on the back, anywhere on the back. How's your cutting coming along? Is it tough or is it getting easier every time we cut? Okay. Yeah, as we get stronger and stronger with our hands, it's gonna start to get easier. It takes a lot of practice though. You can go ahead and pause this video if you need more time. Take all the time you need. I'm going to take out my cotton balls. And first we're going to count the cotton balls. And then we're going to think about how many cotton balls do you think it will take to cover the letter C? The letter C, when we do zoophonics, is C, Katina, cat, goes ka, ka, ka. Can you make that sound? Ka, ka, ka. Good job. Okay, let's count our cotton balls, okay? 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Can you count the cotton balls that you have and tell me how many you have? Okay. You're getting so great at counting. Good job. So let's think about how many cotton balls. Do you hear the sound? See, Katina, cat, the cotton balls. That's why we chose cotton balls to put on our letter C. How many of these do you think it will take? Let's make a hypothesis. That means let's guess. Okay, I have a guess. Do you have a guess? Okay. Let's see if it took more or less cotton balls than we thought. And remember, you're going to take your glue, put it on one cotton ball at a time. You're going to want to use your pincher fingers, pick up the cotton ball, put the glue on it, and then you're going to put all the cotton balls along the letter C until our letter C looks like a cotton ball. I take my glue, put it on there. Okay. Can you think of any other words that might start with that k sound? Yeah, cat. Car, counting, counting. Can you think of any others? Do you guys like the way that cotton balls feel when you touch them? What do they feel like? They feel fluffy. They feel soft. Are they heavy or are they light? Yeah, they're light. Do they bounce when you throw them? They do a little bit. You want to try it? Another word that starts with the letter C is calendar. When we count the calendar, both count and calendar start with the letter C. Look around whatever room that you are right now, whatever room you're in. Look around. See if you can see something that starts with the letter C, that has that k sound. Look real carefully. And remember, when we're looking, we want to make sure it starts with that sound, k. So I see in my office, I see a computer. Do you hear it? Computer. What do you see? just gonna go ahead and put this in water. You don't have to do that though. You can just wait and have a grown-up wash it for you afterwards. So go ahead and finish putting your cotton balls on your letter C. I'm gonna look around my room and see if I can find anything else that starts with the letter C. I see coming out of the computer and the printer, I see cords that plug into the wall. Cords. And I think, ooh, I see something else. It's a candle holder. So it's a glass container, which container starts with C too, that you can put a candle in. How about you? I know it's hard to find stuff that starts with that sound, isn't it? It's something that you can do throughout your day whenever you go do things or you go play outside or you're just walking around your house. Just like we were talking about in the triangle tutorial, how you can go on a shape hunt. You can also go on a letter hunt. So you can walk around and look at everything and think about the things that start with the letter C. How many of you have a cat at home? Yeah, I have a cat. Okay. Will you show me your art? That is perfect. Good job. I'm going to show you mine. And then let's count the number of cotton balls that we use to cover our letter C. Are you ready? Okay. And remember the number that you guessed before when you're like, oh, I think it's going to take this many. Maybe it was 4, 5, 10, 7. And see if your hypothesis was correct. Correct also starts with C. A hypothesis is a guess. We're looking at something, we're thinking about it, and we're making a guess about it. So let's count. You may have more or less cotton balls than I do, and that's okay. So first we'll count together, and then you can count the cotton balls on your C. Ready? 1, here, let me hold it up for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just kidding, there was only 8. We counted one higher than we had, right? I have 8 cotton balls on mine. Can you count yours? Perfect. Now, were you right? Was your guess right? Did you put the number of cotton balls on your C that you thought you would? And if not, did you put more cotton balls or less? Okay. So before we finish up, let's talk about a couple other words that start with C. When we color, do you hear it? Color starts with the letter C. Remember how we learned how to say colors in sign language? Colors starts with C. Crayon starts with C as well. So can you tell me what shape, not what shape, what color is your circle? Orange. Orange. Remember, we want to have our open hand. You don't want to touch all the way to your neck. Just go right under your chin and squeeze it like you're squeezing an orange. And then how about the cotton balls? What color are they? They're white. I'm going to show you how to do white. We haven't learned it yet. So I'm going to go to the side. You're going to put your hand like this. You're going to touch your chest. And then as you come out, you close your hands. So your hands open. And then as you come out, you close them. White. Would you like to try it with me? Okay. I'll do it this way too so you can see. White. White. And this is how you say the letter C in sign language. Just like that. You make a C with your hand. Can you do that? Perfect. That's going to be something else that we're going to learn this year too. We're going to learn how to say the whole alphabet in sign language, every letter. And then at some other point, I'm going to teach you guys how to say your name in sign language. And I'm going to teach you how to ask someone if they would like to play with you. So that's going to be super fun. All right, I hope you liked this project. I hope you learned a little bit about the letter C, and I will see you soon. Bye.